Hi students, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will be discussing about HTML list tag part 2. So as in the part 1, we have already discussed first part of list tag, that is unordered list. So we have discussed basic definition of unordered list, its syntax and different types. Now we will start with another type of list tag, that is ordered list. So this video is very important because unordered and ordered tag, both the tags are very commonly used in every web page. So let's move to the introduction part. So as we have already discussed that HTML list allow web developers to group a set of related items in a list. Suppose if I want to create my shopping list like this by using these numbers, okay, if I want to add some proper sequence in my list, so we always use ordered list tag, that is OL. And if I want to add some bullets, some tick mark and इस तरह से कुछ भी अगर हम देखना चाहते हैं जिसमें कि proper sequence नहीं होता, so we always use unordered list that we have discussed in previous lecture. So now if we talk about ordered list, there are so many types of this. Okay, so first of all, let's begin with the basic introduction that how you can write this. So under OL, we need to write LI tag. LI stands for list item. As I have told you in previous lecture that without LI tag, OL and UL is nothing. It does not work properly if we don't use LI, that is list item. So let's move to the practical section first. So this is our ordered list, right? So in body section, let's begin this OL tag and close OL. So under these OL tags, we always write LI. LI means list item. And as we have discussed in previous lecture that always remember to close the LI tag also. If we don't close this, ये continuously काम करता जाएगा, एक list नहीं बनेगी. I will show you कि अगर आप list tag को close नहीं करते हो तो किस तरह से ये error हमें display करवाता है. Right? So I'm just copying this statement as it is. I'm writing it. Right? So in list 1, I would like to add soap. Next is bucket. Next is chips. And next maybe it's socks. Okay. So जैसे ही हम इसको सेव करते हैं, सेव कैसे करते हैं? order.html. HTML extension is very important here. So as you can see here, we have order.html file. So you can see the difference here. Okay, you can see here. I'm just increasing the size. Okay, so this is the proper list by using OL tag. If I want a list that have 1 2 3 4 की जगह पे ABCD, okay, so we always use type tag, type attribute. For example, as you can see here, OL type 1. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? By default list हमारी इस तरह से बनेगी 1 2 3 4. You can see here 1 2 3 4, right? And if I want to add small I, ठीक है, capital A, small a, so we always use this attribute type. Let's do it practically. I'm just copying this complete section again. Copy and paste. So OL type is equals to small a, let's say. Save and run. So you can see the difference here. Okay. Next type we can use is Control V. OL type is equals to capital A. Just save this and refresh. Capital A. Right? If I write small I, Control V, type is equals to small I. Save and refresh. So you can see different types of list we can create by using HTML type attribute with OL tag, right? As in the previous type, that is unordered, we have discussed UL type is equal to disk, square and circle, right? Now we have 4 types. Another type is type is equals to capital I. Save and refresh. So you can see here the difference. Okay, so I hope everything is clear now. So one more attribute we have in case of OL tag, that is ordered list tag. So that attribute is start attribute. If I want my list to be started from number 4 or number 5, so we always use start attribute, right? अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ, suppose in case of this attribute, if I write type start is equals to 4, save and refresh. So you can see here list जो है हमारी वो D से स्टार्ट होगी, बिकॉज हमने यहाँ पे 4 लिखा था. इफ आई चेंज इट एज 16, तो 16th नंबर पे जो भी लेटर होता है हमारी लिस्ट वहां से स्टार्ट होगी. दिस इज हाउ वी कैन यूज टाइप एंड स्टार्ट टुगेदर, राइट? सो आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताती हूँ, कैन वी यूज बोथ द लिस्ट टुगेदर और नॉट. सो इफ आई वांट टू मेक अंडर लिस्ट, ठीक है, नेस्टेड लिस्ट जिसको हम बोलते हैं, सो वी नीड टू यूज बोथ द टैग्स, ऑर्डर टैग, अनऑर्डर टैग टुगेदर. सो इन द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन we will discuss that how you can use both the types of list, ordered and unordered, together in a single web page, right? So I hope everything is clear. So thank you.